Hi everyone, my name is Bav and I'm the training specialist here at PixelPoint. This is the PixelPointHQ introduction video. We will be looking at what PixelPointHQ is and how it can be beneficial for your business. As you can see, there are three main categories within PixelPointHQ. There are dashboards, reports, and organizations. There's a help directory to help you navigate through PixelPointHQ with short videos. The home button will bring you back to your home page, which is what is displayed on the screen right now. And lastly, we have the settings tab, which is where you will be able to manage your profile. PixelPointHQ is a web service and is a solution using AWS cloud service technology. This solution provides web API and dynamic reporting. The data is gathered and stored securely and is accessible in real time. The PixelPointHQ solution is globally available through the internet and with responsive web design available on any device and any web browser. PixelPointHQ is available to independent restaurants and branded chains. The solution was designed for a reseller channel to help manage your customers. It's built with a responsive design so it can work in all different browsers and mobile devices. For the PixelPointHQ store client, there will be two installers. There is the PixelPointHQ connector and the PixelPointHQ EOI connector. The installers will connect a POS store to PixelPointHQ using what we call tokens. We will look more into tokens in another video. Because restaurants can have 25 to 80% ordering happening outside the store, especially nowadays in restaurants, orders are coming through off-premise ordering such as mobile ordering, online ordering, and delivery services. So now it's absolutely business critical for you to see this information and see it right away if a store is offline or if your POS is offline. You will be able to see that critical information right away in real time using PixelPointHQ, which uses instrumentation for troubleshooting and understanding why the status is appearing as failed. Let's go into the settings tab to see how we can manage our PixelPointHQ website and employees. Click on the gear icon on the top right corner. From there, you will see a drop-down of all of the settings, including how to log out of PixelPointHQ. Next, click on My Profile. Here we see an email address that is related to the profile we are logged into. Once the employee has been created, this email address cannot be changed. If an employee's email address does change, a new profile must be created for that employee. Next, we see the theme, which can be changed from light to dark and vice versa. Let's save the dark theme to see what that looks like. Great. Now let's change it back to light. Next, we have language. PixelPointHQ supports 5 languages. Display dashboard after login will show your dashboards instead of the 3 modules we see when we logged in today. Let's turn on display dashboards after login to see how that will look. As you can see, when we logged in, our dashboard was the first thing to be displayed. Next, we have alert notification subscriptions, which is where you can add an email address and your phone number. This is also where you can change your password. Next, we have manage users. Here you will see a list of all of your employees that have a profile on PixelPoint. You can also add new employees from here. This is where you will add the user's email address, first name, last name, which language this employee uses, a password for the employee, and their security. We can take a look at how to manage their privileges and access. Click on Manage Privileges. From here, we'll see Organizations and Stores. As you can see, you can select which privileges this employee has, including which stores this employee has access to. Which groups we would like them to have access to, which tags we would like them to have access to. And once you've made those changes, you can save the security and click on Save on their profile as well.
Next, we can edit already existing users as well. As you can see, you cannot edit the email address, but you can edit their first name, last name, language, if they have access to user management. If you want them to change their password on login, which is good practice to do for their first time logging in, so they can change their password from the one that you assigned them. You can change their privileges and access and also reset their password, which is a perfect feature for your system administrators. You can also delete this employee by clicking on the trash button beside their profile. Next, under settings, we have deleted items. You can restore or permanently delete items from your system. And last but not least, we have log out, which is how you would exit and log out of PixelPoint.
Thank you for watching the introduction video for PixelPointHQ. Look out for future videos.